I want to see big flicks. Hey! Babe! Throw it over the wall! Throw it over the wall! Oh my god. Oh my gosh! She hit the wall. Remember when I was talking about like Christy's the only one that damages the car? This is what I'm talking about. It's all part of the game, guys.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you gotta start jiffy your car. Yeah.
Yeah.
Take us some time. She hit the wall. You remember those fenders I just made? Yeah. She broke the fender.
Should I try again?
One more time. Yeah, one more. Come on, babe. She's two hammers.
She's good though.
She is
She's good.
Relax.
There you go. You did good. That's when you have it. It's okay, just send it. 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 Hell yeah.
Bailey.
Relax.
Oh, sorry, Bailey. So this is what happened to the 350Z. exhaust that I got from the pick and pull. Lane is taking off the old exhaust, and then we're gonna throw this one in.
See? Bolt it up like this. See? By hand, it's like a quick disconnect. You don't even need tools to undo this. See? Saw that? Oh. Saw that? Look at these pipes compared to that big thing. I have so much more room for activity.
So many activities!
It sounds the same.
Where's the freaky tips at? Man,
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna cut the hanger off. Not right now, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Cut the hanger off and then weld a new piece because it's too low. Just like to tuck the exhaust up. I wanna run these.